My name is Omoyele Benjamin Ogunlami, and then I am the Take It Back coordinator for Pro-Wike Lawmakers. And then I need to state clearly the reason we are here and the reason we are out. We are not out for selfish reason. We are not out for ourselves. We are out for Nigerians. Though a lot of Nigerians have been captured with fear, and a lot of people cannot even come out because of threats in different communities. In Lagos State, here we are in Lagos. And then we are stating clearly that number one, the Cybercrime Act needs to be repealed. Freedom of speech cannot be debated. It is the right of human beings to have freedom of speech. And then for a government that was elected by the people have rights to talk. No government should stop the people from talking. And then from my own side, and then collectively from our community, we have various communities here, we are also speaking that even as Nigerians could not feed, kings in local communities are still demolishing areas. A lot of Nigerians have been rendered homeless. People cannot feed, transportation is cost, house rent is cost, there is no provision from the government to cater for the people, yet their agents are still demolishing houses. In Oworonshoki, the Oba of Oworonshoki has done that. In Ikosiketu, the Oba of Ketu, Oba Kehinde has also done that. They are displacing a lot of Nigerians. Even today, we are still saying it, and we are calling on all Nigerians, wherever they are, to lend their voices to what is happening at the moment. Nigeria cannot afford to keep quiet. This is our country, and we cannot continue living as a second-class citizen in our own country. We are not slaves to anybody. We are citizens of Nigeria, and this is our country. Whoever is in government is elected by the people, is an employer of the people, and they must see themselves as employer of the people. That is why we are out today, lending our voice, that Nigerians should get up and they should speak aloud, rendering their voice to the struggle of the masses. Thank you.
It's a matter of time. We are going to be approaching a level of totalitarian and elected despot. This is how what happened in Russia took place. And if we're not careful, how can a president that was elected on the same day, on the same mandate with a governor, how can a president wake up and tell you for security reasons that he has received a blue paper report and suspend an elected government? An elected government was suspended and Nigerians are keeping quiet. It's a matter of time. This same presidency will wake up and tell you that the Senate arm is suspended, the House of Rep is suspended, and you will see the police and army responding to enforce social legality. We are telling Nigerians there's a matter of time the presidency will become despotic and they will say they will not conduct election. I don't think will happen about it. We are calling Nigerians to wake up, and we are calling all security agencies, all media houses to stand tall and speak out when there's an evil done to Nigeria. For crying out loud, it is nowhere in a democracy, not even in the US, not even in Russia, not even in North Korea, nowhere in democracy, where you see an individual in the name of president will come out and disregard a constitution, a written constitution, and up to date, the president have not come to show us why it is that you can suspend a president, a governor, and elected as assembly members, and we are keeping quiet.
Thank you.
Mark today down. Mark today down. The president will wake up one day and tell you that because the Senate does not agree with him, the House of Rep does not agree with him, he is suspending the House of Rep and suspending the Senate, and will keep quiet. And as we continue with that, we are approaching an anarchical situation. Thank you and God bless you.
Your name was
Comrade Abbas Ulo, my name.
But Comrade Abbas was
Ulo.
Iloro.
Ulo, yes.
Iloro.
Yes. God bless you.